Good morning. Good morning. We are on it this morning. Hope everybody's having a good, blessed day up making something happen. Right now, I'm looking at NASDAQ. It is 8:27 right before market open. And so I'm going to go through here and show you guys how to set up my chart. And right now I am on the daily. I'm on the daily time frame. Okay, and so starting out on the daily time frame, first thing I do is I normally go to my indicators. First indicator that I put on is going to be smart money concept. And this is simply just going to give me my levels. And so when I get in here, it's going to give me my levels. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to select confluence, swings, order blocks, fair value gaps, daily. I'm going to make that white. I'm going to go here and I'm going to make these, keep this red, yellow, and green. And so I got those set up on a daily. The next one I'm going to enter is DIY. I'll go to settings. I'm going to add the DIY indicator, and then I'm going to go to settings. And I'm going to take off the dashboard. I don't want the dashboard on. Unselect. Only thing I really want on this one is I'm going to put EMA and half trend. Then I'm going to go down to my moving average and I'm only going to select the 200 EMA. Then hit OK. And so those are my settings. Okay, it's currently 8:55. I just got triggered into the short position. I am currently short at 21,943 NQ. I'm going to move my stop to break even. Move my stop to 21,930, 939. So we're going to start off the first trade of the day at 8:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Short NQ, 2 contracts, and we're going to look for it to go back down to support at 21,889.25. As we're going down, I'm liking what I'm seeing on this trade. I'm liking the momentum, the size of the candles going to the downside. That's That's giving me my confirmation that price wants to go lower, just judging by the volume of these candles going down. So I'm going to simply move my stop loss. And it's simply just a rejection trade off a resistance supply zone at top of a range. So it'll be a range trade, it'll be a rejection. We had consolidation and then a breakout to the downside. And so I'm looking for a price to see it tapped here. So what I'm going to do is bring my stop up just in case this wants to reject and go back up. Still have strong momentum to the downside, which I'm liking. Okay, I'm just going to manage this trade and see if it's going to keep going in my favor or if it's going to retrace. Either way, first trade of the day, so can't complain. You can never complain with the winning trade, finishing green on the day, no matter how big or how small. Okay, so we just got that 9 o'clock news candle, and just as expected, we had that breakout to the downside. We tested support. I'm going to simply put my stop here and see what we're going to do. So I have my stop currently at 21,868 even. You see we went down here to the bottom to test this support here. But it's that easy. Don't overcomplicate this. Stick to your rules. Keep it simple and secure profits. Do what works best for you. And that's it for today. I'll catch you guys on the next.